Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel, Susan Tech. In today's video, I am going to speak about AI tools, that is Chat GPT. If you're wondering what Chat GPT is and what it can do for you, then you're in exactly the right place. For those of you who are just getting started with the tech, we'd also recommend our Chat GPT for Beginners Guide, which introduces a few ways to get the most out of the software. Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing our world. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, AI is already making its mark. One of the most exciting areas of AI is natural language processing, or NLP. NLP enables machines to understand and communicate with us in our own language. At the forefront of this revolution is Chat GPT, a powerful language model developed by OpenAI. Chat GPT is a remarkable AI tool that can understand and generate human-like text. It's like having a conversation with a machine that can understand your questions and provide informative answers. ChatGPT is still under development, but it has already learned to perform many kinds of tasks. It can provide summaries of factual topics or create stories. It can translate languages and write different kinds of creative content. The possibilities are truly endless. Section 2. Meet ChatGPT, your friendly AI companion. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot developed by OpenAI. It is based on the GPT, or Generative Pre-trained Transformer architecture. This architecture allows it to learn patterns in human language. Through this learning, it can generate text, translate languages, and answer your questions in an informative way. Unlike traditional chatbots, ChatGPT goes beyond simple pre-programmed responses. It can engage in conversations that are more complex and nuanced. It uses its knowledge to provide insightful and contextually relevant answers. ChatGPT's ability to adapt to different conversation styles makes it a versatile tool. Whether you need help with a creative writing project or want to have a casual chat, ChatGPT can adjust its communication style accordingly. It can be formal or informal, depending on the situation. Section 3. The power of ChatGPT. Understanding and generating human-like text. ChatGPT's ability to understand and generate human-like text stems from its training on a massive dataset of text and code. This dataset includes books, articles, websites, and code repositories. By analyzing this vast amount of information, ChatGPT has learned the intricacies of human language. This training allows ChatGPT to perform various language-related tasks. It can provide summaries of factual topics, create stories, and translate languages. It can even write different kinds of creative content. ChatGPT's ability to understand and generate text opens up a world of possibilities. It can assist with tasks like writing emails, articles, and social media posts. It can even help with creative writing projects such as poems, scripts, and musical pieces. Section 4. Applications of ChatGPT, revolutionizing various industries. ChatGPT's impressive capabilities have led to its adoption across various industries. Businesses are using it to enhance customer service, automate tasks, and personalize user experiences. From answering customer queries to generating marketing content, ChatGPT is transforming how businesses operate. In education, ChatGPT can help students with their studies by providing explanations, answering questions, and offering feedback on their writing. It can also assist teachers in creating engaging lesson plans and grading assignments. The healthcare industry is also benefiting from ChatGPT's capabilities. It can help doctors and nurses by providing quick access to medical information, assisting with patient communication, and even generating reports. ChatGPT's ability to analyze and interpret data also makes it a valuable tool for medical research. Section 5. The ethical considerations. Navigating the potential pitfalls of AI. While the advancements in AI are exciting, it is crucial to address the ethical considerations surrounding its use. One concern is the potential for bias in AI systems. Since AI models are trained on massive datasets, any bias in the data can be reflected in the model's output. Another ethical concern is the potential misuse of AI for malicious purposes. For instance, AI-generated fake news or deepfakes could have serious consequences. It is important to develop safeguards to prevent the misuse of this technology. The impact of AI on employment is another area that requires careful consideration. As AI systems become more sophisticated, they may automate certain jobs, leading to job displacement. It is essential to address these concerns and ensure that the benefits of AI are shared by all. Section 6. The future of ChatGPT. A glimpse into the evolving landscape of AI. The field of AI is constantly evolving, and ChatGPT is at the forefront of this evolution. Researchers are continually working on improving ChatGPT's capabilities, making it even more powerful and versatile. We can expect to see even more impressive advancements in the years to come. As ChatGPT continues to evolve, it has the potential to revolutionize how we interact with technology. It could become an indispensable tool in our daily lives, assisting us with a wide range of tasks. From writing emails to composing music, the possibilities are endless. The future of ChatGPT is intertwined with the future of AI. As AI continues to advance, we can expect ChatGPT to play an even more significant role in shaping our world. It is an exciting time to witness the evolution of this transformative technology. Section 7. Conclusion: ChatGPT, a stepping stone to the future of AI. ChatGPT represents a significant leap forward in the field of artificial intelligence. Its ability to understand and generate human-like text has opened up a world of possibilities. From revolutionizing industries to enhancing our daily lives, ChatGPT is transforming how we interact with technology. As we navigate the ethical considerations and embrace the potential of this technology, ChatGPT stands as a testament to the power of human ingenuity. It is a stepping stone to the future of AI, a future where machines can communicate and collaborate with us in unprecedented ways. Section 8. Bibliography. OpenAI. ChatGPT, optimizing language models for dialogue. OpenAI, the 30th of November 2023, openai.com/blog/chatgpt/dot, accessed the 27th of May 2024. This is it for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my video.